Columbia, Montgomery County in central Maryland, central Prince George's County in central Maryland, until 11:15 p.m. At 8:06 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms with a history of very heavy rain in western Fairfax County, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Some locations that will continue to be affected by the heavy rain include Adelphi, Beltsville, Bethesda, Cheverly, Chevy Chase, Colesville, College Park, Gaithersburg, Germantown, Greenbelt, Hyattsville, Landover, Langley Park, Largo, New Carrollton, Potomac, Rockville, Seat Pleasant, Tacoma Park, White Oak, Adams Morgan, Anacostia, Georgetown, and downtown Washington. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for City of Fairfax in Northern Virginia, City of Falls Church in Northern Virginia, Western Arlington County in Northern Virginia, Central Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, until 11:15 p.m. At 8:05 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing torrential rainfall along a line extending from Great Falls to Fairfax, or along a line extending from the American Legion Bridge to Fairfax, moving east at 15 miles per hour.